Yes.
Active and passive voice. Okay. Last day I started giving you a table, right?
Yes, ma'am. 3
But
points.
before that, I actually want to discuss 3 points. Okay, so you can keep that paper can be in only can be stapled after this topic. Okay, active and passive voice topic. 3 points I forgot to give you point by point. I think so. I'm not sure. Let me discuss together. If it is given, then ignore it. If
Ma'am,
it is not given,
Yes, ma'am. It
ma'am,
is
the 3 points you
given
gave. Ma'am,
3 points to
the 3
points to
points based on
remember.
how to change
Okay.
active
So I
into
forgot to give
passive.
it in 6B. So I thought I have done it here also. Okay. So I have given the 3 points to remember before converting one sentence from active voice to passive voice, right?
Yes,
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
point number 1, Aldous?
Ma'am, the point number 1 is first when we have to change the active sentence into passive. The in the active voice, the subject should be the object, and the object should be the subject.
Becomes the subject. Vaiga, what is point number 2, Vaiga?
Ma'am, the verb in the active voice is changed into form of be plus past participle form of the verb.
Okay, Zeba, what are the be forms used in English grammar?
Am, is, are, was, were.
What is the past participle form of be? Ihan, 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 past participle form of be.
Yes, ma'am.
Be form, past participle form of be. Vaiga is raising her hand to answer to my question. So, Ihan, tell me the past participle form of be. Steve, past participle form of be.
Ma'am,
Past participle form of be.
ma'am,
Past participle form of be. You said present form is, am, are. And she said past form was where?
ma'am, been,
Very good. Been. And present participle form of be?
being.
Being. Excellent. Okay. So what is point number 3? I'm moving to Atul Krishna. Atul, what is point number 3?
The preposition by is used before the object of the passive voice.
Voice. We have to use the preposition by before the object of the passive voice. Okay. So to check your knowledge, I'm going to give you one sentence here. Okay. The sentences. The first one. See, children, the sentences.
Ma'am, should we write?
Yes. Only one sentence. Okay. To check your knowledge, what you said is clear or not. To check that,
Ma'am,
I'm
what
going to
is the
write.
heading?
He buys. Oh, I'm going to take another pen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, heading.
Change active voice to passive voice. He buys a camera. Okay. He buys a camera. Ihan, tell me the finite verb of the sentence. Ihan.
Buys.
Very good. Buys. And tell me the tense form.
Ma'am, simple present.
Very good. Simple present. Okay. Simple present tense. Okay. You got the finite verb. You are able to identify the tense form that it is given in simple present tense. So this one is the verb. Okay. Tell me the subject of the sentence. Atul Krishna. Subject of the sentence. Atul, subject. He. Atul, object of the sentence.
Ma'am, camera.
Only camera or article should be with the camera? A camera. Okay, object. So we got the subject of the sentence. We have got the object of the sentence. We have got the verb of the sentence. Now, I'm just going to Ihan. Ihan, point number 1. What is point number 1? Ihan? Ihan, are you there? Gautam Krishna. Gautam, tell me point number 1.
Ma'am, the subject should change into object and object should change into subject.
Very good. Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. We have got the finite verb. So the sentence is given in active voice. To change the sentence into passive voice, we should interchange the position of subject with the object. So now he is a subject pronoun. What is its object pronoun? He is the subject.
Camera.
So which one?
Ma'am, a camera.
Camera.
Okay, a camera is the subject. Okay, I'm starting with a camera. A camera. Okay, look at the verb. Verb is in, it must be in the form of be plus past participle form. Which be form is suitable as the sentence is given in simple present tense? Which be form is suitable? Louder.
Is
Both.
Is.
Oh,
is
you.
what?
Is. Okay, a
Is
camera is.
Is what?
Both.
Yeah, past participle form of
Bought.
buy is bought.
Bought.
B-O-U-G-H-T. So the form is, the verb is be
Yeah,
plus past
just
participle
bought.
form.
Right.
Right? And what is
Ma'am.
point
Right.
number 3?
Ma'am, by.
Position
Subject
by.
should be object.
Okay. And what is the object here? I cannot write he. See,
Him.
children, he is
Ma'am,
a
can't
write he.
Ma'am, him.
object pronoun. So I should write
Bought by him.
He becomes a
Bought
him
by
here. See the change?
Camera
So
is.
the
Yes,
answer-
ma'am. A camera is bought by him.
Very good. A camera is bought by him. One more sentence. I hope this is
ma'am.
clear. I
Yes,
hope this
ma'am,
is
it is
clear.
clear.
Okay. So my next sentence. See, children, I have a sentence here. Over. Kids, it is over.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Over.
ma'am.
Okay. So my look at the next sentence. She drinks water. This is my sentence. She drinks water. Vaiga. Vaiga, you tell me the subject of the sentence.
Ma'am, she
She.
Okay. Verb.
drinks
Okay. Object.
water.
Water. You got subject, verb, object of the sentence. Now, Vaiga, you tell me whether the sentence is in active voice or it is in passive voice.
Ma'am, it is an active voice.
Why?
Ma'am, because it shows a tense,
Tell me the tense form.
simple present.
Excellent. The sentence is given again in simple present tense. Okay, very good, very good. Simple present. Now, Vaiga, you tell me how to change this active voice sentence into passive voice. Vaiga, this is your turn. This question is for you, Vaiga. So you tell me point
Okay,
number
ma'am.
1. We should
Okay, ma'am.
change the position of
Okay,
subject with
object.
object and object
And,
with
object
subject.
with
So tell
subject.
me, I should begin my passive voice sentence.
Water.
Ah, excellent. Water. Now, the sentence is given in simple present tense. So, which be form is suitable here?
Ma'am, is.
Very good. As water is singular, I should use is. Okay.
Drank.
Is
Drank.
Drunk.
drunk, not drank. It is drunk.
Drunk.
Drunk. Drunk. Okay. Vaiga,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
continue. Water is drunk.
By.
By, preposition by is used. And tell me the object of the passive voice. She is a subject pronoun. I want you to use the object pronoun of she.
Her.
Very good. Very good. It is her. Okay. So tell me the entire sentence. Read the full sentence, Vaiga.
Water is drunk by her.
Read the first sentence, active voice sentence.
She drinks water.
Passive voice sentence.
Water is drunk by her.
Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Okay. Again, one more example. One more example. The guard opened the door. The guard opened the door. Anlin.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the subject of the sentence.
The guard.
Very good. The guard is the subject of the sentence. Tell me the object of the sentence.
The door.
Very good. Object you have got. Tell me the verb of the sentence.
Opened.
Excellent. Is it a finite verb?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the tense of the sentence.
Opened.
What is it?
Opened.
Opened. Tense form.
Um,
Anlin, tell me the tense form.
simple past.
Ma'am.
Louder, louder. You said the right answer. It is in?
Simple past.
Very good. It is in simple past. Okay. So we got the tense form. Okay. Opened. It is in simple past tense. So Anlin,
Yes, ma'am.
the sentence is in active or passive voice?
Active.
Active voice.
Active.
Excellent. So we need to change the sentence from active to passive voice. What is first step?
Ma'am. The object of the active voice become the subject of the passive voice and the subject become object.
Okay. So I should begin my passive voice sentence with the object of the active voice. What is the object of the active voice?
The door.
Excellent. So I should begin my passive voice with the door. Okay. And you know the verb is given in simple past form. So which be form is suitable here?
Open.
I want the be form. I want you to use the be form. As it is given in simple past tense, which be form is suitable?
Was.
Very good. As door is singular, I should use was. I cannot use were. Okay. So was. So the door was. Now past participle form of the verb open.
Opened. Opened by.
Opened. Okay. Very good. Opened by.
Guard. The guard.
By.
The guard.
By the guard.
By
Very
the
good.
guard.
By the guard.
Ma'am, because in the subject it is the guard.
Ah, excellent. So we have got subject now. We have got be plus past participle form of the verb now. We have used the preposition by now. And this one is the object. Okay. So we got, what is the first sentence? Anlin, active voice sentence. The guard.
Yes, ma'am.
Open the door.
The guard
guard
opened the door. Okay. Second sentence.
The
The
door.
door was opened by the guard.
The door was opened by the guard. Excellent. You got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One more sentence. One more sentence. The cat killed the rat.
Yeah,
Okay. The cat killed the rat.
I will tell.
Okay. I'm going to ask this question too. 1 minute. I'll choose a person. 1 minute. I want Bala Shankar to answer. Bala Shankar, you have a question here. The cat killed the rat. First step, tell me the subject of the sentence.
The cat.
1 minute, children. It is going up and down. Let me bring it down. Okay. Okay.
The cat.
Balashankar, tell me the subject of the sentence.
The cat.
The cat. Subject. Object.
The rat.
The rat. Object. Verb. Tell me the tense form.
Past tense.
Simple past.
Very good. Simple past. The sentence is in simple past. Okay. You have got the sentences given in simple past form. So is it an active voice or passive voice?
Active voice.
It is an active voice. So we need to change the sentence from active to passive voice. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is first point?
The rat.
What is first point? Balashankar?
Object of the active voice
Becomes the subject of the passive voice. Subject
And
goes in the place of object. So tell me the object of the active voice.
Rat.
Ma'am, the rat.
So I should begin my passive voice sentence with
The rat.
Excellent. The rat. Okay, I got the subject. Now
The
look at the verb. I must use be plus past participle form of the verb. Which be form is suitable here as the sentence? Was, because the sentence is in simple past tense and the rat is singular, so I should use was. Okay, the rat was
Killed by
very good. Rat was killed
By
Ma'am, by the
by.
product.
Okay, by
the cat.
The cat.
By the cat.
by
By
the cat. Balashankar, read your first question. Read the question.
Rat was killed by the cat.
I
The
asked you
cat
to
killed
read the question. Active voice question. The cat
Cat
the rat.
killed the rat. So your passive voice sentence?
Rat
The rat was
The rat
killed by the
was
cat.
killed by the cat. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Last one. Sandra. This is for Sandra. Sandra, the sentence is, they sent me a letter. They sent me a letter. Okay? Sandra, this is your sentence. Tell me the subject of the sentence.
They sent.
I want only the subject. I don't want anything. I want only the subject of the sentence.
They.
You said the right answer. Okay. They is the subject. Fine. Tell me the object. I have two objects here. Okay. I have me and I have a letter. These two are the objects here. Okay. So I know that you are a little confused here. Why two objects? You haven't learned. Have you learned direct object and indirect object when you were there in 5th standard?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
You haven't learned.
ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
so we have two choices here. We have two objects here. These objects, any one of these objects can be used for our subject of the sentence. But let us take this object in the place of subject. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So tell me now.
Ma'am, a letter.
Okay. A letter.
Was
A letter
sent.
was sent to me.
Was
This is
By
sent.
them.
See, if it is, see, look at here. It is S-E-N-T, send. So the sentence is given in simple past tense. If it is D, then what should be? Tell me the tense.
It is simple present.
If it is D at the end, you can label it as simple present tense. Okay, this is T now. See, children, this is T now.
it is
So
past.
it is in simple past tense. Okay, so letter. Now we have got a letter as a subject. Okay, then
was
A letter was sent.
okay,
Was.
past participle form is send itself. Okay, a letter was sent.
To me.
Letter was sent to me.
By them.
Very good, very
Yes.
good. By them. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Wonderful. So a letter was sent to me by them. Okay,
By
I
them.
won't ask these kind of confusing questions. Okay. Anyway, you are so great. You gave me the answer. Okay. Very good. Very good. So let me give the table again. Okay, I think this topic
Yes,
is
ma'am.
almost clear. Now
Yes,
we need
ma'am.
to learn
Full
how
clear.
to change all the 12 forms into passive. Can we change all the 12 tense forms into
No,
passive?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is
I
not
can
possible.
change.
ma'am.
I can change only. I can change only out of 12. How many forms?
Ma'am, 8.
8 forms.
Well, only 8 forms can be changed into passive. Which are the tenses which cannot be changed into passive?
Ma'am, all the perfect continuous.
Future continuous.
Present perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Future perfect.
Very good, very good. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, future perfect continuous cannot be changed into passive. Okay, what we discussed in the box last class. Present tense box is fully over.
Hello, ma'am.
Present tense box is fully over. Gauri, Gauri, this is 6C classroom. I request you to leave the meeting. You can join next session. Okay? I think your period starts from 1 o'clock. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Children, listen. Tell me the box. Present tense box. We discussed present tense box. One box we have thrown in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the topic written there, or what was the content there in that box?
One of the verb.
Steve?
Ma'am, four form of the verb.
Tell me the sentence.
Present. Ma'am.
Tell me the sentence. Simple present sentence.
Simple present.
We haven't written anything in the box, children.
Ma'am, which box?
We haven't started writing. No box for you. Okay. So let me give you a box of tenses. Okay? Three tenses. So you have 3 boxes. Ready to draw now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Let us learn that. Okay, all of you take a fresh page and write heading tense forms. Heading tense forms. Tense forms. Okay?
Yes.
Now, if it is a rough paper, you can use your pen and pencil. For time being, you can draw. In next class, when you come, you please use a scale and a pencil for drawing the boxes. Okay? And now you can use, so if you want to make it fast, to finish the topic fast, you please use a pen for drawing the table. Okay? Your table should be in this way. I request everybody to copy this table. Divide. Okay. Just see how the change is active to passive happens. 1,
The heading.
3. Okay. Heading present tense. Present tense. Here it is simple present. Here it is continuous, present continuous. Look at the spelling of continuous. Here it is perfect. Here it is perfect continuous. Okay, perfect. I'm just using only the short form continuous here as I don't have space. Okay, simple, continuous, perfect continuous. 4 columns. Here you write the heading active. Another page you write passive. This is box number 1. We are going to learn how a present tense and simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. How can we change these tenses into its passive form? Okay? First sentence, rolls, R-O-L-L-S, rolls, writes, a letter. Rolls, writes a letter. Look at the sentence. The sentence in active voice because it has a form of SVO, subject verb object pattern. See, it is you can see a finite verb used in the sentence. Tell me the finite verb here. Tell me the finite verb used in this first sentence.
Writes.
Writes. Okay, this right shows that the sentence is given in simple present tense. Underline writes, children. Okay. What does it pass? Sorry, continuous form. Can you tell me how to change the sentence into continuous form? Same sentence, change the same sentence into present continuous form.
Is writing a letter.
Very good. Rolls
Is writing a letter.
is writing a letter. Wonderful. Very good. Writing a letter. Okay. Tell me the finite verb.
Is writing.
Very good. All of you please underline is writing, because this is writing shows the sentence is given in present continuous. Same sentence, transform the same sentence into perfect. Perfect. Rolls.
Was.
Rolls.
Writing.
If it was, it is present perfect. Rolls.
Roles have been.
No. Rolls.
Rolls have writing a letter.
Is it have or has? Roll singular.
Roles have.
Has. Okay. Rolls has.
Written
Very good. Rolls has written
a letter.
a letter. So finite verb here.
Has written.
Excellent. Very good. Has written. So underline has written. And the last one. Tell me perfect continuous form. Same sentence.
Have been
Rolls
writing
have
a letter.
been.
No. Look at the sentence. Look at the subject. Please look at the subject, children. Whether it is.
Has.
Rolls.
Has been.
Rolls.
Ah, very good.
Has
You're
been
getting.
writing a letter.
Very good. Okay. I request everybody to mute. Your answer is absolutely right. Okay. The right answer you said. The correct one. Okay. So the sentence one person. Rolls. You can tell me the answer. Rolls. Perfect continuous form.
Ma'am,
Very good. Has been.
writing.
Has been writing a letter.
Very good. Has been writing
Letter.
a letter. Tell me the finite verb here.
Has been writing.
Very good, children. Smart children here. Okay, has been writing. So we got present tense, all the four forms, and you have underlined all the finite verbs here. Rolls, our friend. We have our Rolls here. So Rolls writes a letter. So writes, it's the finite verb form. It is in simple present tense. See, present tense form. That is also in simple present. So writes, finite verb. It is in active voice. Okay. Second one, continuous, present continuous form. Gautam Krishna, the present continuous form is Rolls is writing a letter. So the finite verb you said it is writing. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it has a finite verb. So the sentence is given in active voice, right?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
perfect tense. Perfect tense. Same sentence we have changed into perfect. Present perfect.
Rolls has written a letter.
Has written. Okay, Rolls has written. So has written is the finite verb, and it is a finite verb, so that it shows it is given in which form? Active form.
voice.
Okay, children, it is an active form. Now,
Active voice.
perfect continuous form. How to change the sentence into perfect continuous?
Has
good.
been
Rolls
writing.
has been writing a letter. So the finite verb?
Has been writing a letter.
Okay. So let me take only the first example. Okay. Rolls writes a letter. I'm going to write this in the next page. Rolls writes a letter. Okay. Now we are going to change the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Okay. Ready?
Ma'am, ma'am, we can write in second column passive voice.
Yes, of course you can. I'm just using another page to avoid, to get a space for writing. Okay. Okay, you can use the passive voice column. Okay, children, look at the board now. We have a sentence. Tell me the subject of the sentence.
Rolls.
Very good.
Rolls.
Very good. Rolls.
Rolls.
Very good. What is the object of the sentence?
A letter.
A letter.
Fine. A letter. Object. Okay. Tell me the verb of the sentence.
Write.
Excellent. Verb. You know that This right,
Simple
it is
present.
in it is a finite verb.
Right.
So it is in which
Simple
voice?
present. Simple present.
Simple present.
Very good, very
Active
good.
voice.
Okay, it
Active
is in
voice.
simple present. Fine. Simple present tense. And you said the sentence is given in active
Active
voice.
voice.
Excellent,
Active voice.
excellent. Very good, very good. So now you listen carefully. Now we are going to change the sentence, the simple sentence that is actually given in simple present form into passive form. So we have learned 3 points, right?
Yes.
We have learned 3 points here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now listen only. Please, everybody, I don't want mass answers one by one. Okay, I have a question. We have got the subject, we have got the verb, and we have got the object here. So I am moving to Sandra. Sandra, no. Sandra, I asked you once, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm moving to Al Asfan. Al Asfan,
Yes,
we have our subject here. We have got the verb here. We know the tense of the sentence. We have got the object of the sentence. Now, we are going to change this active voice sentence into passive voice. Ready, Al Farhan? Al Asfan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First point. What do you want to do first? Point number 1. What is point number 1, Al Asfan?
Object.
Unmute, unmute, unmute.
Subject becomes object.
Unmute your device, Al Asfan.
Subject change into object.
Ah, very good. Subject goes into the place of object and
Object.
louder.
Subject.
Object moves into the place of subject. Okay. So passive form. Now you tell me what is the subject and object of the, you know already, roles is the subject of the active voice and a letter is the object of the passive
letter
voice.
is
Okay.
what?
So I should begin my passive voice sentence with the object of the active voice. Isn't it, Al Asfan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how can I begin my passive voice sentence? How can I change the sentence from active to passive?
The letter.
Right, right.
A letter
Is
A letter. Why is
simple present, ma'am.
very good. It is in simple present tense.
a letter is
Is
Is written.
P form
Written.
plus. Okay.
Is written.
Ah, very good. Is written past participle
By.
form of the verb, right? Is written.
written by roles.
Ah, we should use the preposition by before
By.
the object of the passive voice. Tell me the object of this passive voice.
Roles.
Excellent.
Roles.
Very good. Roles. So you can see the sentence. Rolls writes a letter into a letter is written by Rolls. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? So a
Yes,
letter becomes the subject. Is the be form and written is the past participle form of the verb. And I have used the preposition by before the object of the passive voice. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the 3 points that we should remember? See, children, we have to remember 3 points before we are changing one sentence from active voice to passive voice. First step, the subject of the active voice goes into the place of object and object becomes the subject. We should interchange the position of subject with object and object with
object with
subject. Clear? Point 1 is clear. So a letter becomes the subject of the passive voice and roles goes into the place of an object. Clear? Point 1 is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear.
Very good, very good. Now, point
Very
number
clear, ma'am.
2. We know actually writes. Writes is a finite verb and it shows the tense form. It is given in simple present tense. Okay, we have a few be forms here. What are the be forms used in English grammar? Be forms.
Is, are,
Okay, very good,
were.
very good. So you know, you are very clear that we can use am, is, are with the present tense forms and was, where can be used with the past tense form, right? Am,
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
are with the present form and also was and where with the past form. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now our present sentences, it is given in, by looking at the finite verb, you know that the sentence is given in simple present tense, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which be form is suitable here?
Ma'am, in simple present.
Simple present. Just now we have completed, no? So
Ma'am,
which form? Is.
Is.
Because why I haven't used are?
Ma'am,
because
R is
rolls
plural.
singular.
Ah,
R
the
is
letter
plural.
is singular, so I should use a singular form of the verb. Okay, I have used is the auxiliary, sorry, the be form, and next is past participle form of the verb. So the verb must be changed into the form of be plus past participle form of the verb in passive voice. Clear?
Yes,
Am,
ma'am.
is, are, was, were plus past participle form of the verb. Here the sentence is in simple present tense and a letter is singular, so I can use only is with a letter. Clear? So
Yes,
and
ma'am,
also
clear.
the past participle forms are called the third forms of the verb. Verb three forms. Okay, all the verbs, it has four forms, you know: write, wrote, written, writing. Okay, it has a present form, it has a past form, it has a past form, and also it is having a present participle form. Present participles are the ing forms, right? So these three form, that is verb third form, past participle forms are very important. You must know the past participle forms of the verb. If you want to change one sentence from active to passive voice, you know, or you should be thorough with the verb past participle forms. Okay, that is why we have used the word written after is. Be plus past participle form. Okay, followed by the preposition by. Our point number 3, we must use preposition by before the object of the passive voice. Here, what is or which word is the object of the passive voice in your sentence? Rolls.
Ma'am,
Rolls.
Rolls.
Okay, rolls is the object of the passive voice. So we must use preposition by before rolls. Okay, now you have got one sentence. That sentence is a letter is written
a letter is written by Rolls.
rolls. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, got
Got
it.
it?
Yes, ma'am. Got
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Yes, got
Clear?
it.
Any doubt?
No
No,
doubt.
ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay,
No doubt.
children, it's time to
Everything
end
is
my
clear.
session. The next batch is waiting. Let me take attendance. Let me take
Okay, ma'am.
attendance. I'll take, as I don't have attendance paper with me, I'm just taking, with your permission, I'm taking a photo of this class, okay? And I'll be recording it. Thank you. Don't go. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where
Bye.
will it come? You should be very thorough. I know
Bye,
that
ma'am.
you're clearly giving me the answer, but you should be a little more thorough with the tenses.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
See
ma'am.
you.
We are
See
okay,
you
ma'am.
next
Thank
class.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.